Hey, we're going to be making a Easter wreath. I purchased these items from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to just go ahead and take my tags off, and we're going to jump on in. I have 2 different types of mesh ribbon. So I'm going to take my purple, I want to combine it together, but I prefer to have layers. So I'm just going to start off by tying sections. If you want your wreath to be much fluffier or thicker, then use more mesh ribbon. And I complete this process until finishing the whole roll. Okay, I'm finished. Now I'm just gonna go around my wire wreath, tying the mesh onto the wire. Before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my little bunny inside. And I'll be hot gluing this down, that way it doesn't shift. Okay, I'm gonna place it aside and repeat the same step. Now the leftover mesh that I had, I will be adding it to the inside. I'm gonna clip this piece off. I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the extra twine. Okay. I'm going to clean it up a little more. I have some twine pieces sticking out. Now it's time to add my colorful eggs and my carrots. All I'm doing is just folding the ribbon back and forth, and I'm just going to take the bottom and wrap it across, and I'll be hot gluing this, that way it stay in place. I'm going to add twine to my bow. That way, whenever I glue my little carrot on, it will stick better. And I'll also be placing twine on my bow to tie it down. Now I'll just be placing my eggs and carrots on in different places, and I'll go back and glue them on. You can use any type of eggs, carrots, grass, whatever you like. You want a fuller wreath. If y'all find this video helpful, like, comment, share. Also subscribe to the channel And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a video. The items that I use will be linked in the description box below. Okay guys, here's the finished product. Now it's time for hanging. Guys, leave y'all comments below. And as always, I'm wishing you all love, peace, and happiness. Bye.